Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preheating the pan on medium-low. This controls browning and prevents rubbery whites. Pour about 1 tablespoon oil or 1 TSB butter. Swirl to coat. Crack the egg into a small bowl so you can inspect it and remove shells quickly. Once done, slide the egg gently into the pan to keep the yolk intact. Make sure the oil is hot enough to sizzle softly. Too hot gives crispy edges. Too cool makes the white spread. You want the whites to set while keeping the yolk runny, so lower heat to medium-low and watch the edges. Once the white turns opaque, either place a lid to trap steam or spoon hot oil/butter over the white to finish without flipping. If you prefer over easy, slide a thin spatula under the egg, flip gently, and cook 10-20 seconds. For over medium, add 30-45 seconds. These choices control texture. Shorter time preserves runny yolk. Longer firms it. You finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper, then transfer the egg to a warm plate and let it rest for 10-15 seconds to settle. If you see undercooked whites, return the pan to low heat, cover for 30-60 seconds, or add a teaspoon of water and steam. This fixes translucency without overcooking the yolk. Conversely, if the egg becomes rubbery, reduce heat and remove sooner next time. Temperature control is the key to consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.